these loggers from another region go, yeah, this, it's some story. We're fine. We'll go. We have shotguns. They don't realize you're dealing with a civilization of people that is still nomadic, still uses bamboo-tipped arrows, still lives naked in the Amazon rainforest, has knowledge of medicines that we have yet to encounter or may never discover, and that they can hit a spider monkey out of the treetops at 40 meters. And so while you're using a chainsaw, they can sneak up and you will never know they're there. And so when that arrow passes through your body, you'll only have a moment to realize it before you fall over.
And we're looking at something you posted on your Instagram.
Yes.
Which are the arrows that they use, which are bigger than you. So they're like 6-7 feet.
6-7 feet, more like 7 feet. And
Look
that's
how sharp
incredibly
that is.
sharp. They cure it over the fire, and they have a way of sharpening it. That edge of bamboo becomes incredibly like knife sharp. You can cut meat with it easily. I've done it. These arrows, look at that. I mean, I'm 5'9". That's easily a 7-foot arrow.
Yeah, so for people who are just listening, this quote-unquote arrow is really a spear. Some people would think of it as a spear, but they're shooting this thing with a gigantic bow. That's crazy.
Yeah, and so to be holding that, look at that. They even twist the fletching so that the arrow spins in the air. They have incredible craftsmanship, and then you see all the little string on there is plant fibers that they've woven, and then this is them.
Yeah, the warriors of the tribe.
The warriors of the tribe. And so the fact that we're sitting here talking on microphones and that we have airplanes and cell phones and all the things that we have in the modern world, and we still live in this age where there's right now at this moment people living out in the jungle who have been there since before history.